Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special for Pundi X holder because in this video we tell about you to this is selling time of Pundi X or holding time or buying time, and what's the prediction of Pundi X to upcoming days. They moving up or barely falls down more, my friend. So this is technical analysis. Also, my friend, let's start the video of Pundi X. Please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get start this video. Please click the red button for more this type informative videos and news, my friend. Especially urgent updates I give you. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. If you can see here this time and the last 7 days, the result I show you on the screen, my friend. Minus 32.72%. They fell down to exactly very bad fall, my friend. This time, if you can see here, the lowest price is also, my friend, very for my friend. This time 2.51 US dollar as the nearest price, my friend. This time, so very bad fall, my friend. Because you can see here the Pundi X also exchange now. This time you can see here after a very bad falls, my friend, they take a jump, and after a falls you can see here this is the circulation, my friend, and every cryptocurrency is moving and this circulation in a crypto market. So this is the reality, my all brother and sister. So please I request you, my brother, to don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. Exactly, they make you millionaire. I guaranteed you, my brother, to they make you millionaire. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit at the end of this month. So thank you so much, my friend. This time, if you can see here, and the last 1 hour change occur is plus 4.11% change occur. Wow, what a great, my friend. This time as they gone up. So if the people starting moving up, then exactly they're starting moving up. So congratulations everyone, my friend. To Pundi X is starting moving up. So congratulations. Okay, thanks for watching Pundi X holder. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos.